So in today video we are going to learn how to make this page design in Microsoft Word. Okay, first of all we'll choose one new page. Simply press Ctrl N in keyboard, you will get a new page. After that we'll go to the layout option for giving the size of this page. Go to the size and go more paper size. And after opening this dialog box we'll go to the margin option and here simply put 0, 0, 0 and 0 and press OK. See, our cursor is going upward. We can type from the starting. Okay. Now we'll go to the insert option table. We go to the table and select this all the table. Okay. Now put your cursor here. See here one plus sign will be given upward, downward, left and right. And we can drag downward. You can adjust by yourself. Okay. Now we'll select this all and go to the layout option. After we'll give height here. Give height of 0.37. Simply press and see. Now we have to drag down and enter here. After that press tab from the keyboard. Tab option will given in keyboard. Press tab. See, we'll get more lines. Okay, we'll make only one page. You can, if you want, you can make more pages in your MS Word. Okay, now go to the option and go to the shape and choose line. By choosing line we can make a line by pressing shift button in keyboard. Make line. Okay, by pressing shift, if by pressing shift we'll get a straight line in this. Okay, go to the shape outline, make it red. Again go to the insert, go to the shape and select line. By pressing shift, two line here. Okay, go to the shape outline, give red color. Again go to the insert, go to the shape and select line. We'll make line here. Okay, go to the shape outlines and give red color. See, our half page is ready. Now we'll make here one date and page column. Go to the insert option and go to the shape. Choose here rectangle. Make it big. Okay, and select this. Go to the shape fill and no fill color and double click here. Give here date dot dot dot. Okay, here page and dot 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 dot. Okay, select this all. Go give red color. Okay, this also red color. And after selecting this, make it big. Okay, see, our page is ready. For getting more videos like this you can subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.